Today I'm going to be making Easy Bake. Easy Bake oven, which it'll be fun. So I was just thinking, let's get started. Alright, first I'm deciding between pizza or chocolate chip cookies. I think I'm going with chocolate chip cookies. Alright. Let's O-P-E-N our chocolate chip cookers. Alrighty. Now that Alright, how many does this make? Is there anything in here? Oh yes. The instructions.
Girls, do not, whatever you get out, you clean up and wipe your counter off and everything.
Alrighty. First up, we'll make the cookie dough. Pour 1 chocolate chip cookie mix, 1 teaspoon of water into a bowl. So let's grab our measuring thing, majiggies. I know where my thingy majiggies are. Where are those things? Oh, there my thingy majiggies are. Alright, so let's get 1 teaspoon of the cookies. Let's get 1 cookie dough pack to open our thing up. And look at the cookie dough. Cooking. Get the cookie dough cooking, making, whatever. Alright, 1 chocolate chip cookie dough. Wait, does it supposed to say dough?
Did you turn that on so it starts heating up?
Yep. Oh yeah, so you can make many of these. Alright, so but I'm just going to make one. What? Oh, oops. Got him my eldest. The bathroom. Oh, there's already like chocolate chip cookies in it. Got itch my back. Alright. So a little bit out. I always make sure, almost, we got some chocolate chip cookies up. And how many? Alright, 1 teaspoon of water. 1 tablespoon, that's a tablespoon. That's 1 teaspoon. I got a teaspoon of stuff. Then I'm ready to put it together. Alright, now I need a little bit more because I spilled a little of it. Hopefully that's not like too much of something. Because I want my cookie dough to be just perfection cookie dough. To be for perfection cookie dough, not bad cookie dough that no one wants to eat. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Like, is it supposed to be all sticking together or something? Alright, let's see. Sprinkle flour on your hands. I need to get the pan. Where is our pan? Do you still have a pan? Yep, I guess it's a pan thing. But I don't think I'm going to be able to make 12 because I don't want them, like, so small. Because, I mean, this is not a lot of stuff. Alright, let's get this all off. Mother, it says I need to sprinkle flour on my hands. Okay. Okay. I'm not sprinkling any foil in the hands. Alright, let's put this down. I mean, it is sort of doughy. It's like, but how do you, like, do you roll it on your hands? I mean, alright, there's one. Alright. There's two. Oh, no, that's not a ball. So not a ball. You just gotta like shape it in your hands. You need to make sure it's at least 4 or more. Chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookie. One, two, three, they're gonna run back to me. This is hard. I mean, like, let's get this all off my hands real quick. Try and get it all off. So you don't want to waste any. Alright, I know how I'm going to do this. Better way. Alright, I have a better way. A better situation. 1, 2, 3. Scoop this out. And then there's my ball. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me. Alright, I'm taking like the watermelon balls things. Ballers. And I'm using it to make my cookie. My cookies. My cookies. My cookies. I think I actually have more than 12. I'll try and get all the leftovers. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no, I don't have more than 12. Mama's gonna drive me. And if you want to breathe. Alright.
Alright, I gotta make my shrimp aspic over there, honey.
Time to bake. Alright. Alright. One chocolate frosting.
Hi, you. Hi, you pretty girl.
Is that chocolate frosting? My cookies.
They don't really look like cookies, honey.
There's 1 cookie, 2 cookies, there's 3 cookies, and there's 4 cookies. We all have 1.
I have to make my shrimp aspic.
Well, I'm sorry, all this frosting, it won't come out. It's powder. Okay, 1 second. Oh, that's perfect amount.
need the hot water.
Oops.
Kid, get out of my way.
Ding, 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 ding. My frosting. This is my frosting. This is a long progress. Whatever come off of me.
You guys can take these until we get to the store to get other ones.
Making cookies, buddy, you're gonna have to wait. Why isn't it going in? It's stuck.
You put it to the wrong way. Just go to this side.
I can't reach all the way through. Tip it up. Now sign.
Here. See?
Oh, why is it going back this way? Oh my God.
And then You gotta clean this mess up. So I can make my shrimp aspic.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. I still need this frosting though.